Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet fast, easy guide. Put ripe fruit, sugar, and a splash of lemon juice into a blender, then puree until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness with a little more sugar or lemon. Chill the puree in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, then churn or freeze using a shallow pan and scrape every 20 minutes to keep it silky smooth. For fast results, choose ingredients that blend and freeze well, like ripe berries or mango, simple syrup, and lemon juice for brightness. A splash of alcohol or a little corn syrup helps prevent hard icicles and keeps the sorbet scoopable straight from the freezer. Keep the puree cold before freezing and use a shallow metal pan to speed freezing. Stirring every 15 to 30 minutes yields a smoother, more professional texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with thinking small and effective, like a fast sorbet recipe. I find it inspiring during chill time while the sorbet sets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To speed up freezing, place a shallow metal pan in the coldest part of your freezer ahead of time and pour the chilled puree into it. Every 15 to 20 minutes, scrape and fold the mixture with a fork to break forming ice crystals, which creates a creamy texture fast. If you need scoopable sorbet sooner, out on the counter for about 5 minutes before serving to loosen it without melting excessively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.